Hi, my name is Erica and I'm a field engineer here at One Energy, and welcome to today's Science Short. In the last episode, we learned about measuring wind speed with cup and sonic anemometers. These devices are usually installed on a tall pole at the project site. But how do you measure the wind when you can't install a pole? That's where LiDAR units come in. LiDAR stands for light detection and ranging. These units are smaller, portable ways to measure the wind resource of a potential project site. Because they are mobile, they are able to be deployed to various locations for data campaigns. But how do these units actually measure wind? The LiDAR unit shoots beams of light into the air at various measurement heights. You might be wondering why you can't see any light coming from this LiDAR next to me. That's because it uses a Class 1 laser to create the light beam. These lasers are designed to be eye safe, meaning they emit light that we can't see. The beams of light hit aerosols in the atmosphere, such as dust, water, or any other particle, and are then bounced back to the unit. The unit uses the Doppler shift to calculate the change in frequency of the light beam. Basically, the light beam leaves the LiDAR at one frequency and returns at a different frequency, which is used to determine the wind speed. LiDARs typically have a number of customizable heights, so wind speeds can be measured at any height of interest, such as the hub height of a wind turbine. At each height, this LiDAR takes 50 measurements in a circle, with one measurement height happening every 20 milliseconds. As the measurement height increases, the measurement circle gets bigger, forming a cone. By taking all of these measurements, the unit has the best chance of obtaining a valid wind speed measurement. This LiDAR also has a weather station attached. This station determines and records the weather conditions at the site, including temperature, humidity, and if any precipitation is detected. This weather data can be used to help characterize the conditions at a potential site. So when does One Energy deploy a LiDAR unit? There are a couple of instances where LiDAR deployment would be necessary. If we are considering a site that doesn't have local wind data readily available, a LiDAR unit will be deployed to collect data for wind resource assessment and for site characterization, seeing what the wind speeds are like at that site and whether the turbine we are considering using is suitable for that location. LiDARs can also be deployed to assess an operating product's performance, as well as to collect data for any R&D projects we may have that would require on-site measurements. And there we have it, the basics of One Energy's LiDAR units. Thanks for tuning in to today's Science Short. Be sure to subscribe to YouTube and follow us on social media for more. And remember, challenge everything.